Hey everybody, good morning and welcome to the Canning Nana. I just want to update you guys really quick on my sourdough starter. I have a bunch of it now. I've put it in 2 jars and you can see I haven't yet fed it. So when I feed it this morning, by the time I come home in just a few hours, it's going to be way up at the top of these jars. So I've already started dehydrating some. So I'm going to make sure that I can, that the sourdough starter starts perfectly well with my dehydrated starter before I start sending it out to you guys. So if anybody wants it, let me know, okay? It is going to be, I think, $3.50 and include shipping. So just let me know who's in line. And I'm going to pick a few people before I start charging it for it to try it out. Some of my regular viewers. So if you're a longtime viewer and you want to try the sourdough starter for me, be a tester, please email me at thecanningnana@gmail.com. And in the subject line, put sourdough starter, please. And let me know how long you've been a viewer. And if you're a new viewer, I'm going to pick 3 of my regular viewers, my longtime viewers. I have a lot of longtime viewers that have been with me the whole 3 years. And I have a lot of brand new viewers, and I don't want to leave you guys out. So I'm going to pick 3 of you also. So those of you who are new viewers, please do the same. If you want to try this out, it works perfectly. But I want testers. And I want your honest opinions. So if you want to be a tester for the Canning Nana, email me at thecanningnana@gmail.com. And we're going to do lots of exciting things starting on Monday, guys. I have a lot of things coming up. Probably do a video every day. And we're going to have a lot of fun and learn a lot. I have a lot of different series that we're going to start. And I will explain all that probably in a live video on Monday. Not sure of the time yet. I've got to figure out a good time to where my Eastern viewers and my Western viewers can all make it, because I want everybody involved. So that's kind of what's coming up. There's a lot more. I've got the All-American Canner, and we're going to unbox that. I have not opened it yet, but we're going to unbox that, and we're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to do lots and lots of videos, both water bath canning and pressure canning, and some dehydrating and freezing. And then pantry meals, going to show you what I will and will not can, what I will and will not dehydrate, what I've liked to can, what I didn't, what I won't do again, and the same with dehydrating. So we have a lot of stuff coming up, fall gardening, and I hope you guys are all with me along for the ride. I will see you guys later. Thank you. Have a great day. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. That helps YouTube's algorithm with my channel. And it helps me out. So, and share my channel, please. We are still doing that 5,500 giveaway, and I cannot wait. We're pretty close. I think we're at 5421 or 5420, something like that. So we're almost there, and I will get there with all of your help. So please share my channel, and I will see you guys soon. Have a great day. Bye, guys.